Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is types of external business environment. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of business environment, nature of business environment, significance of business environment, elements of business environment and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the types of external business environment. So before you can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before starting the topic, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is external business environment. So what is the meaning of external business environment? Firstly, we have to discuss this topic. These are those factors which are not in the control of an organization, such as economic factors, socio-cultural factors, government and legal factors, demographic factors, geophysical factors, etc. These factors are important for the organization, for the development of organization, which also influences externally. In this factor, micro factors also included, which is known as microenvironment. Factors which affects a company's immediate environment for the performance of the company. These include the suppliers, marketing and intermediaries, competitors, customers and the public. Microenvironment consists large structural process that affect all the factors in the company's microenvironment, namely the demographic, economic, natural, technical, political and cultural forces. So these factors generally come under microenvironment, which externally influences the company's growth and development. Now come to the topic which is the classification of external business environment, which includes suppliers, customers and competitors. So what is the meaning of three different points of external factors? Now we will discuss here. First one is suppliers. Those who supply the inputs like raw materials and related components to the company. Suppliers are the key factors for any company, so it is risky to depend on a single supplier because a strike, lockouts, or any other production problem with the supplier may seriously affect the company. So, supplier are the key point for the development of any organization. Second one is the customers. Every business depends on customers. Companies may differentiate categories of consumers like individuals, households, industries, good institutions, etc. Depending on a single type of customer is after too risky because it may place the company in a poor bargaining position. So customer mainly influences the growth and development of the company. Any organization should not depend on only on the single type of customers. They should create the large group of customers for the organization. And the last factor is competitors. A firm's competitors include not only the after firms which market the same or similar products. So there are several types of external business environmental factors. Now again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So there are basically three types of external business environment, which includes suppliers, customers and competitors. Suppliers the key chain point for the development and growth of the company. It includes raw materials, related components of the company, whereas customers also influences the growth of the company because there are different types of customers. They sometimes buy or sometimes they don't buy, they don't want to buy. And the competitors also create hindrance for the company. So these are the factors which influences externally the development, the growth of the organization. These comes under external business environment. So this is all about the types of external business environment. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.